Caddy, Australian brand, built versatile and tough. But what do you really know about us? Australia's a big place, just like this. So we've got outlets nationwide so we can install and deliver no matter where you are, giving you access to fast and reliable commercial vehicle accessories nationwide. At Caddy, our storage solutions aren't just made, they're engineered. We pride ourselves on being innovators, not imitators, bringing you the best quality, the best fits, the greatest versatility, ensuring our vehicle accessories are not only built to last, but to look sexy in your vehicle. Hey Dan, make one just like this.
Looks good.
I know, because it's engineered. Just watch this piece of customisational magic. Voila! And that's just the tip of the iceberg. It's so loud in here because we manufacture in-house, so I'm going to switch to dubbing. Ah, much better. We pride ourselves in manufacturing and engineering high-quality, cutting-edge products designed specifically to local trade specifications, started by Aussies, continued by Aussies, and made for Aussies. We continue to invest and upgrade our equipment and technology, ensuring our customers get superior quality and great value. Caddy products are built tough and reliable because we know you need them to work all the time, every time. That's why we manufacture and rigorously test all Caddy products in-house to make sure our products are the safest and most reliable on the market. This is my favourite part, tally ho. Yep, Caddy products are safe. We can tick that box. At Caddy Storage, we've got 35 years experience, meaning that this guy became this guy who trained this guy so he could become this guy, who eventually became the wisest storage solution guru of them all. And he works for us. We call him the wizard. Caddy Storage, we know tradies. We know how you work, we know how you play. And we've done the research for you. Guys, what do we need in every storage solution?
Room for tools and all the important things.
Well, find somewhere for this then, will you? Our lockable drawers have got you covered. Cheers. We understand you don't want what you don't want, but you do want what you absolutely need. At Caddy, our customisation of vehicles is second to none, giving you great value. This all gives you the most versatile and best options for your requirements, no matter what the make and model of the vehicle. Check out all these options. 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 Options? We even do auto electrical options. Fitted here. And more options, and more options, and more options. So even after all this, if something goes wrong, Sue will sort you out with our warranties and guarantees. Good on you, Sue. So when you want the best, the toughest, the sexiest, the most versatile storage solution for your vehicle, think Caddy, or pop in and see our quality Aussie-made product for yourself.